Hey guys, welcome back in French's Garage. In this video you will see where I relocate a few things like the rectifier, front and rear coil, and installation of chain tensioner and other things. So I'll let you enjoy the video. So here I received the air ride from TC Bro, and it comes with a bracket, but it says you can, attach it to a 1 to 1 and 1/8 tube. I had to build my own kind of tube bracket, to make it fit, and even like that, I'm still not happy how it looks. And you really have to torque everything correctly, especially the air filler, because I filled them with air and put them in a bucket of water, and I couldn't see any bubble. But a couple of days after sitting in the shop, they were soft. They lost pressure, which made me think, those air fillers really need to be torqued. And here are some bunch that I got from TC Bro, and they will be to hold the fender with a CC bar.
Someday.
And here I received the fake oil tank to hold the electronic, and I did realize that obviously there is not enough room to hold it with the air ride. So it will have to sit lower, but if it sits lower, I will have one side touching the chain, so it will have to stick a little bit more on the other side. So I decided to remove the air ride for now, because my priority is to be able to fit all the electronic, obviously, in that tank. And once the tank will be installed, I will see what room I have left for the air ride. And also, I wasn't pleased how the frame was looking with the seat. It was a little bit too wide, and I wanted it to be a little bit more narrow. So here you can see how it looks before, because I already cut it, and before the frame was sticking out like that, and I really didn't like that. So I wanted something more narrow that follow a little bit more the shape of the seat, you know. So before cutting the frame, I make sure the rear tire was touching the floor, so it wouldn't bring, you know, with the weight, it wouldn't twist the frame or whatever. So, and when I cut the tube, I didn't see any deformation moving, you know, everything was very nice. So I'm gonna be able to put those and weld them, and hopefully that will look much better. So when I was done tacking the new tube, I installed the fake oil tank and make sure, you know, I had a clearance with a chain. Hopefully that should be enough. And then you know, I was able to install it and keep the rectifier at the same spot, which, you know, it's nice because I will have enough wire to go in. Unfortunately for the coil, I will have to relocate it, so I'm gonna weld the support on a fake oil tank. So here is a coolant filler that I found online. This is metric. This is, I believe, 25 millimeter. Very hard to find here in the US. I had to order it from England, and when I received it, I was surprised that it did not have the cap. But I guess lucky enough, this is the same cap as the original. So. And there is no thermostat. I'm not planning of putting any thermostat here in South Florida. You know, I think the engine will need to be cooled all the time. So that's it. And as you can see, yeah, the original cap fit. So I wanted to make some progress on a Jockey shifter, and this is totally new for me. So I decided to reuse the shifter linkage and clutch, pedal that I had. I just cut the pedal, grind it, and I kept the part with the bushing and the attachment for the linkage. Then I drilled that. I made that bracket, drilled and tapped with I believe 8mm bolt. So yes, it does work. The only thing is I will have to replace the linkage because it is rusty and both rubber seal are totally gone. So I will need a new one. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next episode.